Why did you join Grace Po? Or why are you...
Well, ang basis naman ng selection ng Makabayan was platform-based. We had meetings with the presidentiables and we discussed their platforms, our platform. We don't expect the presidentiables to agree with us 100%. Otherwise, member na sila ng Makabayan. We expect at least a lot of unities. So, lahat naman sila may mga attacks all over. Binay, Grace Po, Duterte, Marojas, everybody. So, sa amin, platform-based. I mean, if you listen to all the attacks, wala kang mapiling presidente. Even Miriam is also attacked din. So, platform-based. At doon sa platform, mas marami kaming agreements kay Grace Po. So, and I think that's the better way of choosing a candidate to support. Yung platform-based. Kasi may sisingilin ka after the election Pwede kang maningil talaga. Nag-usap tayo nito, ito sabi mo. So, that's what I noticed with Grace Po. Maano sila, medyo, gusto ko yung nag-exchange kayo ng notes sa platform. Ibig sabihin, very important sa kanyang platform. Kasi yung discussion namin went from, ilang beses yung exchanges ng, I'll study this, o babalik na naman kami, balik. Ibig sabihin, pinapahalagaan niya ang platform. So, that's what we liked about her. Kasi madali lang naman sa politika. Okay, sige, okay. Check. Tapos, okay na, solve na, support me. I prefer that process na, teka muna, I'll study this,